Hey guys, remember, look. There's an egg. Look at that. Just checked again, and look. There's now 3 eggs she laid. Look at that. There's 4 now. Oh wow. I don't know if you can see, every time I get close, she doesn't want me to be there. There she goes. Look everyone, here's 2 babies. 2 more to come. But yeah. Nature at its best. Let's see if there's any more babies in there. And all of them are in there. Look how cute. Oh, waiting for mommy to come. Thought to share with you guys. Look, nature at its best.